Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a Ford Explorer SD. First, understand that tuning involves modifying your vehicle's engine control unit, or ECU, to optimize performance. This process can significantly boost horsepower and torque, making your Explorer SD even more thrilling to drive. We'll cover the essential steps and considerations to help you get started safely and effectively. Let's dive into the world of performance tuning. Choosing the right tuner and tune is crucial for your Explorer SD. Look for well-regarded brands known for their Ford platforms. Different tunes offer varying levels of performance, from mild street tunes to aggressive track setups. Always verify that the tuning device is specifically designed for your Explorer SD model to avoid compatibility issues. This step ensures a smooth and successful tuning experience. Once you have your tuning device, the installation process is straightforward, but requires attention to detail. Connect the device to your Explorer SD's OBD-ROMAN 2 port, usually located under the dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to flash the new tune to your engine control unit. This typically takes several minutes. Ensure your battery is fully charged to prevent interruptions during the flashing process. After flashing your Explorer SD, it's important to monitor your vehicle's performance and engine parameters. Pay attention to any unusual sounds or warning lights. Regular maintenance, like oil changes and spark plug inspections, becomes even more critical with increased power. Also, for some great deals and that awesome sock link, make sure to check out the description below. Enjoy your newly tuned Explorer SD.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.